I am going to be talking about how you can target rich clients. So many people run ads and they say, oh, I'm not getting results. They're spending so much. In fact, some people don't even know how to target the right audience. They are probably targeting the wrong audience in respect to demographics, in respect to their geographical location, in respect to interest and the rest of that. Welcome back. Like I said, we're going to be talking about how you can target rich customers on Instagram and Facebook. Honestly, your customers are on Facebook and Instagram. Most especially Instagram, they are there. All you have to do is to know how to target them, how you can reach them. And that is what I'm going to be showing you. And get ready to learn a whole lot of things from this video today. So you need to know that there are a number of locations you need to target for your advertisements. Okay, I'm going to mention some of those top performing locations, and I'm also going to give you some strategies you should employ while you are getting your advertisement done. There are 7 locations you should target when you are looking at targeting people that are going to pay you for your products or your services, whatever you are selling on Instagram or Facebook. Although there are other states you should target, but these 7 states are the most important ones. The first, which I'm going to rank as number 7 on my list, is Oshogbo. Why Oshogbo? Oshogbo people are also familiar with the internet. You need to understand that people who can afford an Android phone or internet access phone, they also would have that money to pay for your service. People in Oshogbo should be targeted in your ads. They have great buying experience and they are likely to even pay you before you deliver to them. On number 6, I'm going to talk about Owerri, Imo State. Now, you may not necessarily have to choose Imo. You can choose Owerri, the capital. People in Owerri also, they have the history of paying for products online. So you should also target Owerri. My number 5 list will be Port Harcourt. Not Rivers State now, but Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt people, we all know that Port Harcourt people are known to be rich, so to say. So if you are looking at targeting, especially if you can deliver your product outside your physical location, I would say target Port Harcourt. Very, very important. Target Port Harcourt. Number 4 on my list should be Enugu. Enugu, we know that the rich people, majority of them are in Enugu. So choose Enugu. So for Enugu, you can decide to just choose the capital or choose the whole state. Whichever you decide to do is okay. Number 4 on my list is Ogun State. Because Ogun State is not far from Lagos State. People there also are exposed to internet and they also have that buying histories, internet buying histories. These people buy online. They are used to social media. They could trust you with their money. Okay, so number 3 on my list is Ibadan. Ibadan, please don't make that mistake of not picking these people. Ibadan people are very happy to pay for your product or your service. They are very happy to pay for them. Lagos and Abuja. You see, Lagos and Abuja, those 2 states are high performing. In fact, if you don't deliver to anywhere outside these locations, your location should be Abuja and Lagos. But ensure that you have dispatch to deliver to them on that if you sell products. But if you render service, for instance, ensure that you are open to traveling or whatever you guys are deciding to do depending on what you sell. So Lagos and Abuja, you see these 7 states that I've mentioned: Oshogbo, Port Harcourt, Owerri, Ibadan, Ogun, Enugu, Lagos, then Abuja. This state I have mentioned, they are high performing states. I'm going to tell you other states you should also target if you are looking for rich customers. But before I get into that, I want you to click on that like icon right now and like this video. Subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and also share so that other people can learn from this. Now let's go back into our targeting. Other states you should target should include Edo, Benin, Edo, Benin. You can, if you want to narrow it down a bit, you can just do Benin. The Benin people are also good at spending, so you should target Benin. The next on my list will be Delta Warri. Delta people also have great history. The reason I'm saying these people have great history is because I've been running ads for over 7 years, and these are the people I know. These are the places where sales come from. That's why I am telling you this is what you should do. So I'm not telling you based on hypothesis. I'm telling you based on experience, based on experiments, based on results. Okay, so Benin, Delta, Warri, another place you should look at should be, if you're looking at North, you should look at Jos. Okay, but because of the whole gbas happening in that place, maybe you want to avoid that place for now. But Jos also has good history. Kano and Kaduna also have great histories. So for other places would be Kogi. You can also try Kogi. Now let's come back to North Central. Let's look at Ilorin. Ilorin people too are not bad. Okay, then let's look at South. Let's look at I think Uyo. Uyo, Akwa Ibom, Uyo, and then Calabar. Uyo and Calabar, they also do so well. So these states I have mentioned would help you to tell. You can target these people. Then when it comes to other targeting, you know that targeting on Instagram and Facebook is is beyond geographical location. You also have to look at demographics. You also need to look at interests. About interest, demographics, and every other things you need to consider. I have a tutorial on that, on how you can target in respect to demographics, interest, and what budget you should use to run a converting ads. I have added it to the screen so that you can also tap and go ahead and watch the video, but you cannot access it except you're a member of my channel, except you pay for subscription. Okay, so do let me know if you found this useful. I'm very sure you're going to find it useful, very sure. But remember that it is not just about the geographical location, but also demographics, interests, budgets, direction, and your creative content. So connect with me. I'm very happy to connect with you, and let me know how you found me. Okay, until next time, bye bye.